Folks at home, welcome back to another awesome video. Thank you so much for joining me. This week I am down here in New Orleans. Right behind me is Lake Pontchartrain. I really don't know hardly anything about this lake or techniques or anything about this area down here. I have seen a few fish busting the surface. Hopefully they're bass and hopefully they're biting. Love to get my first 2019 bass on the second day of January. Let's do it. So I'm starting off with this crankbait just to kind of get a feel. Wow, this, pretty sure this is dragging on the bottom. Seems really shallow right here. No, I just got some shit on it. Never mind. Alright guys, so I just stopped the guy walking on the trail and he let me know that Pontchartrain is mostly brackish water. So, don't know if I'll be able to get any bass right around here, but he did say that there are some really nice reds caught around this area. I have never caught a red and I would really love to catch one, so I'm gonna fish around here a little longer. This dam right here is, the water comes out of there and it's the Bonnibel canal. I'll put the map up here so you can see it. But he said that on the other side, it's just, you know, rainwater, drainage, pipes, stuff like that. So he said there's no fish in there, but I would think that there would be some at least. But I'll try that out here in a little bit if we don't have any luck out here, and hopefully get a couple of fish. All right guys, here is the Bonnibel Canal. See if we have any luck with the crankbait around this here, this little bridge. Alright guys, we're down here at the third spot of the day, or fourth spot of the day, I'm not sure. Basically right off of Highway LA 3134, I think. Wasn't getting any luck at the other spots, so I called a local bait and tackle shop. It's B&B Bait and Tackle. I'll put a link in the description if you want to check them out. Supposedly there's a ton of big fish here. Guy over here just caught a about a 4-pounder. He's keeping it, but real nice fish. But yeah, I'm gonna get some lines in the water and hopefully we can get a couple. Tell you, there are a crap ton of mosquitoes out here. I'm getting bit up like a mofo. Is that a fish? I think that's a fish. That's a fish. That's my first one of the year. Yes, on the spinnerbait. Yeah, buddy. All right, that's what I'm talking about, guys. Not a big fish, but very beautiful fish. Let's get a release on this guy for you. There you go, thank you. All right guys, so right now I'm just throwing this little spinnerbait, little Strike King, cheapy. It's like chartreuse. It's one of those bleeding ones, got some red on it. One little willow blade, one little Colorado. Reason I'm throwing this right now, the wind has kind of died down, but we do have current and a little bit of wind blowing into this bank and up into this canal. Anytime you got wind blowing onto a bank, might be a good idea to throw a spinnerbait out there. And then on top of that, one of the other guys that was down here said that he caught 2 on a little spinnerbait today, so I threw one on, and on top of that, Jackie told me to throw this lure today, this specific spinnerbait. So really, my first 2018 bass is really all thanks to Jackie. So babe, I love you, thank you. Let's It's nice to know that even at 4 o'clock in the afternoon and January 2nd, pretty crummy weather out. It's not raining, but it's just a gloomy day. But the bass are still biting, baby. Gotta love it. All right, we're gonna do 2 more casts, 3 more casts before we leave. Okay, gotta get the fuck out of here now. Can't do it anymore. I love fishing, but I can only take so much from the mosquitoes. All right, guys, well, not bad for first day down here fishing. I didn't really expect too much because I don't know the first thing about location down here, what to use or anything. Did get my first 2018 bass right up there on that point on a little spinner bait. Shout out to Jackie for hooking up that lure because she did pick it this morning. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to stay tuned because we have a couple of big projects coming back when I'm getting home. I can't even think because I have like 10 mosquitoes on me right now. So I'm getting out of here. Thank you so much. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed, and we will catch you next time. Thanks.